Welcome back to the channel. I did a thing and I will show you what that thing is in a moment, but I reckon there'll be a few of you that will watch this video and think, okay, why has he done that? But I'll explain. So without further ado, I will show you what I've done and you can let me know what you think, whether I've made the right choice or not. Okay, so as you can see, I have got a VW Caddy Maxi. Yeah, so basically what I've done is I have traded the E39 Touring for this van, which may seem like a bit of an odd thing to do, but I'll explain why. So basically, as much as I absolutely loved that Touring, and I mean I loved that car, and I was really sad to see it go, it just wasn't suitable for me. And what I mean by that is the fuel economy, because I drive like 40 minutes every day each way, and it's all through lanes. The car was just getting absolutely like beaten up by like all the potholes, like scratched by all the hedges, and I was getting about 32 miles to the gallon, which isn't bad, but it's not great when I've also got the V8 to run as well, and I want to do stuff like go away for a weekend and also have good fuel economy, which obviously this van does have, and the space to put the dogs in it, my tools in it, which, yeah, the Tourer did have that, but this is like next level. And I got basically put that Touring up for sale. Didn't have too much interest. I had a few people message me, and then this person messaged me and said, would I be interested in this van? And I thought, you know what, it's actually really good. And even though this van was obviously worth a bit more than the car, the chap was dead happy. He was like, yeah, I'm good with the swap. So I was like, sweet, go ahead. And yeah, I'm pretty happy. So I will explain basically what the plan is and what's been done so far, and I might do like a bit of a build series on this van, which is a little bit different to what I have been doing with the other car. And yeah, you can see what I get up to. So the plan really is to like make it into a micro camper, which I can also use for work. But yeah, it should be pretty cool. Right, so the van itself, it's not a massive spec. It's a van at the end of the day. It doesn't have a great deal of options, shall we say, like the E39 did. But you know, it's got some 18-inch Audi alloys. It's got a Pioneer head unit, touch screen thingy. Wind up windows, not sure about that, bit basic. It has got cruise control. The seats are proper manky, look at that. So they'll be getting changed, I think. Well, to be honest with you, I don't really know that much about VW, so I'm gonna have to do some research into what you can put in them, and what I can change. Needs a new wing mirror cover. It's a 1.6 TDI manual. I've heard the engines, the injectors are not great on them, so I think this has had one or two of them replaced, sorry. But I think on the whole they're pretty reliable, so that's alright with me. I mean, I can do most things on the van anyway. It's a Maxi, which means it's a long wheelbase. It's also got the facelift lights on it, you can see. Put the black badge on it. I think that looks a bit better. It's got two side loading doors as well, as you can see. So basically I'm in the process now. So all of this sound deadening's been done, as you can see up there. It's also been done the other side of the roof. So what I'm doing now is putting some insulation in, so in all the crevices. That will get plyboarded over it. I'm going to be doing in here next. But I'll go into that in more detail maybe in the next video. But yeah, for now, this is what the next thing is. But in the meantime, I am still carrying on with that the 4.6 IS swap, and that will be coming up shortly, the next video.